a process that uses high-powered, precisely controlled laser beams to cut or shape glass with exceptional accuracy, producing smooth edges without cracks or excessive thermal stress. If you often drink wine, this is the process of making wine bottle corks from cork oak trees, a lightweight, water-resistant material that seals the bottle tightly and prevents air from entering. Ever think about clothes hangers? They're the reason your shirts stay smooth and your jackets keep their shape. Some even have clips for pants or skirts. Simple, but they keep your clothes fresh and your closet looking great. A cartoning machine is an automated system that forms cartons, inserts products, and then closes and seals the boxes. This machine improves production speed, accuracy, and overall efficiency. The stones on railway tracks, often called ballast, play an important role. They act as a weight cushion that keeps the rails stable, helping to distribute the load of passing trains and maintain track alignment. This is how nails are made. And just imagine, without machines to produce them, building a house could take forever or even come to a halt. Cutting a steel plate simple? Of course not. It takes powerful machines, precise tools, and a lot of force to slice through solid metal. That's why every clean cut you see is the result of serious engineering at work. Water jet cutting works by using an extremely high-pressure stream of water, sometimes mixed with abrasive materials, to slice through metal, stone, glass, or other tough materials. Because it doesn't generate heat like traditional cutting methods, it leaves smooth edges without burning, warping, or changing the material's properties. A laser cleaning machine uses high-powered laser beams to remove rust, paint, oil, or other contaminants from a surface without damaging the material underneath. This process is fast, precise, environmentally friendly, and doesn't require chemicals, making it popular in industries like automotive, metal maintenance, and even historical building restoration. Metal transforms into a work of art under the cutting blade, with every slice showcasing incredible craftsmanship. The magic of precision machining turns even the toughest materials, like iron, into something smooth and flexible. This is the beauty of industry, truly mesmerizing to watch. Spark plugs are built super tough because they work in the most extreme part of your engine. Their electrodes use hard metals like nickel or iridium, surviving heat over 1000 degrees Celsius and thousands of sparks every minute. The ceramic insulator keeps the spark focused, helping your engine run smooth and reliable. CNC Wood uses computer-controlled machines to cut and carve wood with amazing precision. From furniture to decorative panels, it creates detailed designs quickly and consistently, much faster than doing it by hand. Are the streets around your house dirty and full of mud? Try using this tool. You can spend the whole day enjoying it because it's just that satisfying. With technology advancing rapidly, it can help speed up work, while humans are responsible for controlling whether everything meets the standards or not. This machine makes tape production fast and efficient, but a human touch is still needed. This melon peeling machine can do the job with great precision and speed, perfect for mass sales. What kind of fruit peeling machine do you think should be invented next? Staples may look small, but they play a huge role in keeping our papers organized. These tiny metal clips are loaded into a stapler and pressed through sheets of paper, bending at the ends to hold everything together. From classrooms to offices, staples are one of the simplest yet most important tools for staying organized. Have you ever felt too lazy to fold your clothes? It looks like you need this machine to always have at home. Even labeling your favorite drinks is done using advanced machines. paper cup machine is a breakthrough for the food and beverage industry. It cuts paper to size, shapes it into a cylinder, seals the sides, and heat seals the bottom to create a strong, leak-proof cup. This fast and hygienic process can produce thousands of cups per hour, ready for coffee, tea, or cold drinks. Without this machine, making paper cups would be slow and inefficient. Pipe welding machine joins pipes to make them strong and leak-proof. It heats the pipe ends and fuses them together with precision. Modern machines can even work automatically, delivering fast, clean, and consistent results. Perfect for construction, gas pipelines, and shipbuilding projects. Can you guess what this machine does? This is a tea packing machine. In developed countries like China, tea bags are made using automated machines. But in some other countries, tea bags are still made manually, relying only on human hands. It's fascinating to see how machines like this speed up work and make production more efficient. Technology like this shows just how important machines are in supporting modern industry. See you in the next part.